So in this video, we're going to talk about other ways of representing degrees a little more precisely. We can represent degrees with decimals as well. So instead of just 45 degrees, to be a little more precise, maybe we would say 45.1 degrees. So that would be considered a decimal degree, DD, decimal degree. Another way, though, of being a little more precise with degrees would be the degree minute second notation. So 1 degree equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So hopefully not very difficult to remember. In example 2, we're given 44 degrees, 19 minutes, and 32 seconds. So notice the notation, the degree symbol, the 1 tick mark is minutes, the 2 tick marks is seconds. If we're told to take this and convert this now to decimal degrees, we want to get the 19 minutes and 32 seconds into a decimal degree. So it's just a unit conversion. So I'll go ahead and I'll start with our 44 degrees plus 19 minutes. Now, to get rid of the minutes and convert it to degrees, there's the unit conversion. Notice how minutes would go away and we would have degrees. Now, there are 60 minutes per 1 degree, plus 32 seconds. For this one, I'll have to go twice since there's not a direct calculation. Seconds would go to minutes, and minutes then could take us to degrees. And again, just paying attention to the units, our seconds would go away, our minutes would go away, and we'd have our degree left. So 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 degree is 60 minutes. So if I add all of this stuff up, I'll have 44 plus 19 over 60 plus 32 over 60 times 60. And all of that would just have the single unit degree on it. So when we add all of this stuff up in our calculators now, we'll get 44.3256 degrees, which is equivalent to the original 44 degrees, 19 minutes, and 32 seconds. So now in this example and in the next one that you guys are going to try, make sure you're comfortable doing these by hand, but your calculator also does have buttons on them that will do this for you. Most calculators have a DD to DMS button or a DMS to DD for decimal degree. Some, the newer calculators actually have the degree symbol, the single tick mark, and then the double tick mark as well. So depending on your type of calculator, you may have one of these buttons on there, and I would encourage you to be comfortable converting not only by hand like you just saw in the video, but also directly on your calculator.